Hello and welcome to another Sleepy Dog construction video. This is the Shepherd Reconstruction Project. This is a $22.5 million project and consists of new concrete pavement, water main, storm sewer, and has a contractual time of 915 days. This is the beginning of the project. It starts at US 59 and continues north to Westheimer. On the right, the contractor has poured new 11-inch concrete pavement. You can see the contractor has prepared the subgrade, set forms, and placed rebar. It is ready for concrete. This part of the road we are driving on will be removed after the east side of the roadway is poured and complete. The contractor will switch all traffic to the east side, then remove the existing pavement. All the telephone poles on the left will be removed and replaced before the new pavement is poured. The contractor has mixed the lime and is cutting it to grade. This part of the project is water main phase. The contractor digs bore pits around 20 feet deep and bores a tunnel from one pit to the other. The bore pits are approximately 250 feet apart. The tunnel is 20 inches in diameter. The contractor will place a 16-inch ductile iron water main in the tunnel. I will show you the 16-inch ductile iron pipe in a few minutes. This pile of dirt will go back into bore pits after the water main has been installed. This is a bore pit that is ready for tunneling. See how the contractor protects it from the public? There's the other bore pit that will be connected with the tunnel. This part of the project has not yet started. I wanted to show you what it looks like before the construction starts. Look how bumpy the roadway is. It'll be very nice once it's completed. You see the new telephone poles on the ground? They are to replace all existing telephone poles on the project. Not much to see here, lots of bumps and potholes. The project ends here at Westheimer Street. Let me turn around and I'll show you the west side of the project. Look how close the telephone poles are to the existing roadway. They will all be removed and replaced. This side of the street is in the worst condition. It's very rough, lots of base failures and potholes. There was a lot of traffic on this street. Once the roadway is complete, the street will become a major thoroughfare. Here are more new telephone poles. Remember the 16-inch ductile iron water main I talked about? Here it is, stacked up and ready to be installed. Look how bad the existing roadway is here. Could you imagine driving this road every day? If you have a road like this on your commute, tell me about it in the comments. Looks like somebody hit a traffic control barrel. This happens a lot, especially in the morning after the bars close. The speed limit is 35 miles per hour on this road, but I prefer to drive slower and not tear up my truck. You can see my truck's jumping around a lot. Now we are coming up to the split where Shepherd becomes one way. We will be turning onto Farnham Street. The contractor has poured the new 11-inch concrete pavement and driveways on the left side. The contractor has removed the right side of the pavement, driveways, and sidewalks. The right side has been limed and cut to grade, and it is ready for forms and steel. This is the end of the project. Let's turn down Lexington Avenue and I'll show you a few of the side streets. Lexington Avenue still needs to be removed, so let's go over to Norfolk Avenue. The right side of the street has been removed and replaced for the installation of the 8-inch water main and the 42-inch storm sewer. The sidewalks and driveways have been removed and replaced. The contractor has leveled the yards and is now ready for grass. This street will only be repaired where the contractor removed the roadway. He has replaced it with asphalt base and it only needs the asphalt riding surface, and this street will be complete. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. And remember to leave a comment. Thank you for watching.